Hello everyone. Today's tech news is: Number 1. Apple's next big product event is set for September 7th. It's the company's third live event of the year, and we're expecting to see quite a few big announcements, from the iPhone 14 lineup to a new, Pro, Apple Watch model to the next generation of AirPods Pro, plus a bunch more. Number 2. Google Chrome's latest update has a security fix you should install ASAP. Luckily, updating Chrome is usually as simple as restarting. Number 3. Netflix's Arcane is the first streaming series to win an Emmy Award for animation. And the first gaming show for that matter. Number 4. The GoPro Hero11 Black will reportedly have a new sensor and an old design. New number, same body. Number 5. TikTok denies reports that it's been hacked. A hacking group claims it exposed TikTok's source code and user data. Number 6. Instagram was fined $402 million for mishandling teens' data in the EU. The investigation took almost 2 years. Number 7. Jaws is a box office hit again, 47 years after it first hit theaters. All it took was $3 movie tickets and 3D. Number 8. Sony's PlayStation hardware chief to retire next month. A new PlayStation chief for a new generation. Number 9. Leaked Insta360 X3 camera has a larger touchscreen and new pre-record feature. The 360-degree action cam will be officially announced on September 8th. Thank you for watching. Subscribe FFFT for more tech news.